They hate when you elevate. Stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. It feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I can levitate. They never believed that I would.
You got pulled over. What's up, guys? We made it. We're on our way to 7's Day in New York City. Car is strapped and loaded. We actually got these police lights on this car too. NYPD across the side of the door. What we've been told preemptive to our arrival is that the New York Police Department does not condone, or do they want to see this on the side of the car. So, I had to shut that off. So what we've planned to do is we've got magnets for all the areas that say New York Police Department. And then at the right time, what we'll do is we'll pull off the magnets and snap the photo. But it's like all the planets have to align because downtown New York City, Times Square, it is mobbed with police officers. It's less than 1 block from the New York City Police Department. One of their precincts is right downtown. So yeah, we've got to be on our best behavior, at least in the short term. We've got a few extra surprises locked and loaded underneath here, in with the trailer. Set up a line lock. We're able to do burnouts. We've got custom horns, sirens, all that wild stuff. So needless to say, we have to get the out of here. It's time to head out. We're just covering up all the rest of these decals with our magnets we purchased earlier from Staples. Cover everything up on this car, and then we're going to ask the police permission if we could rock this, just maybe for one photo op going through the center of Times Square. We also put an outer service plate on the back windshield in the event that they start asking questions. I also have additional paperwork. It states this vehicle was a movie car and it was used on film sets multiple occasions for 2 Netflix series. We are totally prepared for this. So we made it to New York. We've got the Mazda on the back. It's officially 7's Day. This thing rode a lot nicer than what I expected. And here we go. We actually got our camera crew with us. Hey! Right. Got some patrol.
This is legit.
This is legit, yeah. I got magnets on the doors because we weren't looking to get arrested just yet. We want to end that with a good nightcap. That'll be it. It's amazing. This is great. This has got like F-150 rear suspension. It's amazing. We have our first rotary trying to get up and around us, weaving in and out of traffic somewhere back there. We caught him about 2 blocks away and we came across the intersection. So apparently this is the first meetup. So about to see something. I hope we see something. Oh yeah, we got a Miata up on the left. Ain't nothing here right now. If you don't meet up first thing, you miss everything. We didn't meet up at Harlem. Too many side streets, very, very constrained alleyways. And we've got the trailer with us, so it just didn't make sense to put the truck and trailer through that. So here we are, another back road, back alley with some address and directions, and it's proven to be not so fruitful as we thought it would. Okay, White R33. All right, I'll follow them now. You got it. See you. Bye. We got a cop over there and they're showing us some love, so I tapped one of the buttons and it's what it is. So lost right now. So they've changed locations twice and now we're running to possibly a meetup that's 20 minutes away from here. We would have to turn around and dig through a lot of this traffic again. So I'm not sure if we're just gonna get closer to downtown and stop, just wait for things to clear, or we're going to continue to trek through east side here. In any event, we need to get some great shots, meet up with some people, and or get the fuck out of here. It's crazy. Well, supposedly they're gonna come down this street right here, which is like 45th and 6th, I believe. West 45th and 6th. Here they come. Old Lambos. Made it to one of the red lights towards the end of Times Square. We're going down the Ave right now.
That thing is nuts!
That Lambo, bro.
He's gonna be on the motherfucking side.
Go, 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 go. Yo! Go, 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 go. Gonna leave that there for now. We need to get home at a reasonable time, so I mean if we want to stay out all night, just leave it like this. We'll take that off too. Jumped on my iPhone. We were given approval from New York Police Department. We can rip the decals off of the squad car for a very, very short period of time. So with that said, we're gonna get our shot in. We're gonna run the RX-7 at the same time while we're downtown. So it's gonna be wrapping away downtown with the decals off. Police car, I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna try flipping the light switch too. I don't know if it's a good idea, but we're gonna go for it.
That's cool right there.
Right here, right here, right here. Hold up. got pulled over. So we got exactly what we came here for, and exactly as expected happened. We got all the way to Times Square. We sent the photographers in. We got the okay from one of the officers that we could take said content with the door magnets off. That's these guys right here, right? So those magnets were off, and we decided to take it one step further. We threw the lights on, started honking the horn. The crowd was really loving it. I mean, they were sizing us up. It was crazy. And that turned into firing up the RX-7 and all of the above. It was just was some next level stuff. Once in a lifetime experience, to be honest with you. We kept going with it, and then we got pulled over. We carried the entire situation roughly 1 block away. So we're gonna throw the door magnets back on the car. We're going home. Putting these vehicles in front of people that haven't seen them in a very long time, and just creating a vibe. That's what we came here to do tonight. We had a great time. The restoration on the RX-7 still isn't completed. There's a lot of stuff that I would like to see done on the vehicle. We'll tweak it along the way, but we have to move on to the next. So we'll see you at the next event. Stay tuned for more. Follow me at JDM Supreme on YouTube, Instagram, social media, all of the above. Thanks for watching. Until next time.